Hi everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you are doing well. I'm also doing fantastic. If you really want to achieve anything in your life, you have to do hard work every single day. If you really want to learn English, you have to ask yourself, why do you want to learn English? If your mind tells you, I want to learn English for making better in my future, then it will be good for you. It will be easy for you. If you really want to learn English, don't wait for tomorrow. I know you are waiting for tomorrow. You tell, I will start from tomorrow. No, it is not better for you. You have to start from today. You have to start from now on. I know you have time. You have a smartphone, you have any place to learn English. Look at me. I don't have so much place to learn English without the roof, and I don't have so much time to learn English. Do you know how many time I work? I work from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. I don't get free time in my all day. I woke up at 5 p.m. because I know if I don't wake up early in the morning, then I will never be able to learn English. Then I woke up at 5 o'clock. You have to hard work every single day. I am doing hard work every single day. It will make better in my future. I know if I hard work, Allah will give me success. Allah is. If you really want anything in your life, want from Allah, Allah will give you. That's it. Allah Hafiz.